back, guys, and for those who don't know me, my name is Shakiria. Today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial video. For those who have a hard time doing their brows, this one is for you. Let's get right into the tutorial. Step 1, you'll be needing a razor or tweezer. This is optional if you want to shave or tweeze. Step 2, you'll be needing a eyebrow pencil or lip pencil. You can use black or brown, or you can use a Biomineral Cosmetics Brow Definer in the shade dark brown. Step 3, you'll be needing a concealer and a brush. You can use a flat brush or whatever small brush you have. This is what I will be using. First, I will be following the shape of my brow. You're gonna take your spoolie brush and you want to do this in a upward position. And I'll be using a small portion of my Biomineral Brow Definer to give it a more natural look in the front. Going back in with the spoolie brush. Don't worry if they are uneven or a bit messy around the edges. That's what the concealer is for. I'm now going in with my MAC concealer. I can tell you what shade it is. I've had this for over 5 or 6 years, so I'll be using a small amount. Remember, follow the shape of your brow. I am now blending out the concealer with my brush. use a darker shade concealer for the top, but I like it this way, so I won't be using any. This was what I meant earlier when I said that your brows are not twins, they are sisters. They won't be looking the same all the time. They won't be having the same shape. Yeah, I know that for a fact. And please do not draw them all the way down. No. Follow the end of your eye to measure the length of your eyebrows. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Feel free to leave video suggestions down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the endless support that you have been showing since day one. I love and adore you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye. See you in the next video.